So hey there, if your Midea freezer is not freezing and not working, this is something that you can do. Maybe it's going to fix the issue. So press and hold the lock for 3 seconds to unlock the control panel, if you have the control panel. Then you want to press a lock and the top arrow button at the same time for 3 seconds to reset the freezer to factory settings. The panel beeps and all of the indicators turn for 3 seconds. If the compressor is running, it pauses for 5 minutes, then restarts. So this is the first thing. Then you can have also the error codes. Right here is that when you can like E2, E5, E7, for all of these, we can see in the menu that you should call for a service. The freezer does not operate. The freezer is unplugged. Make sure the freezer is plugged in, the plug is pushed completely into the outlet. So this is another thing that you can try to do, is that maybe just try to plug it out for like 1 minute, then plug it back in. This is another thing that possibly going to fix the issue for you. And if this is not going to work, you can also turn off the circuit breaker. Maybe that is going to work. Who knows? So I just want to make this quick video that possibly what you can try to do. And then also, like, if it's not freezing, you just add an amount of food to the freezer. This is also important thing. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.